Hi, my name is Prashant Singh. I'm going to be taking you on a walkthrough with me through a mini project that I created. So I call it FitX. It's a React project. So the objective of the mini project was to create a project which takes input from a user on the basis of like what are all the things they want in a particular workout, how many days they want it, what should be the duration, how many exercises should be there, what are all the muscles they want to target. So we had to implement a solution in which we fetched data from AI and then display that data on the UI. So the main challenge in this thing was getting a consistent format from the API as the responses, even the scheme of the responses changes over time. So I finally got started with the project. So for the project, apart from React, I used React Redux. So Redux was essential for managing the state. So it has to be a global state, and Redux was the better option for it. Redux toolkit was also available, but React Redux has been used for a longer time. So I thought, let's go ahead with React Redux. So I used the dispatch and reducer pattern to manage the store. So apart from store, like for creating the UI and creating all the components from input fields to drop downs. So material UI was very helpful. It also was pretty responsive apart from some minor tweaks that I had to do. Then I think if I get straight to the generate workout page, so here we have all the basic fields. So if I just tweak the weight and height and change the number of workouts per week. So here we have a multiple values option. So if we select multiple values, then only the workouts for those particular muscle groups will be shown. So once we hit on generate workout, so like implementing loader via Redux was a tricky task because we had to store the actions for the requests also in the state, and those were asynchronous actions, so we had to use Redux thunk for the same. So once we have we requested for 4 workouts, so we got 4 workouts. So each workout will show the muscle groups that we had initially asked for. So if we open a workout, then we'll see like we have particular set of exercises, each one with how many sets we have to do, how many repetitions we have to do. So for creating this exact UI, so a stack was required. So I implemented like dialogues that would be on top of each other. So like the first dialog that opens will be here, and the next dialogues that come will be on top of it. So if I click on the backdrop, then automatically they start closing, and then we finally get to the bottom of it. So if I for deploying the project, I used my own private server. So there I deployed it, and for managing the process and everything, I use a process manager called PM2. SSL certificate and everything I was able to get from certbot. So overall, I think it was a great learning experience from the point of view that I created something from the scratch and was able to take it to the production and get it finally working with QA and edge cases and bug fixes. But I think it's still in the prototype phase. It still has a long way to go. So I'm planning to add some more features like being able to save the workouts, being able to customize the workouts, adding exercises or removing them, maybe even add a progress tracker to actually see how far the user has been able to come. So I think it's going to be a fun experience working with it. Thank you for listening so patiently. So I think signing off. Have a good day.